Yo, I'm going to be going over my favorite video ads, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you should structure your video ads, exactly what to do to grab your potential customers' attention, and everything else that you need to do in order to create a successful video ad. Alright guys, here are some of my absolute favorite video ads. We're gonna start off with Hotmile. They are literally one of my favorite companies when it comes to like actually producing really high quality content. And if you guys want to learn how to build a brand, I strongly recommend replicating what they do. So here's the first one, and I'm gonna show you guys like how engaging it is. It's just like an amazing ad.
I mind the only way to be wise in it. Enjoy.
So this particular ad, what Hotmile specializes in is very high quality influencers. So this guy right here, if you don't know who he is, to be honest, I kind of forgot who he is. His tag is right here, but he's like a professional dancer. So the reason why this video got so much engagement, like over 250,000 like views, was obviously because they boosted the ad, but again because of like they paired an influencer with their product. So he's doing his regular influencer things, the things that like blew him up and like get eyes on him, along with using their product. So like in the beginning of the video, he's dancing because he's like a professional dancer and people like love it when he does that. But then he pairs that with Hotmile's ad, so with Hotmile's product at least, so it almost looks like a sort of like a soft sell towards an ad. So it almost looks like he's not even selling. It's like he's dancing and he says Hotmile is the best way to whiten your teeth. He puts it back in, he smiles, which is very important, and then he keeps dancing. And then again, you guys have to notice like where he is. So he's on a private jet shooting this. It's usually really hard for people to get on a private jet, and private jets usually associate with luxury. And then at the same time, like, he's showing off his tattoos, like everything about this video, including the music, because he has a very large Hispanic audience, is like absolutely perfect for whoever they were targeting in this ad. And this ad particularly stood out to me the most just because of like the moving text effects that just made everything really come together. Now next, this one is honestly not one of my favorite ads, but it's one of the most effective and easily replicatable ads, at least for most of you guys, because it's honestly just a simple influencer ad. And this particular influencer is gonna do like the name of this product is called Nova Shine Routine. So they're gonna do like a sort of walkthrough of their morning routine using your product.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all my Nova Shine routine and how I use it while I'm getting ready. Anytime I mention Nova Shine on a post or an Instagram story, I always get questions if it actually works or how it works. So I'm just going to be showing you all like a step-by-step of how I use it. So first step to your Nova Shine routine is just like gently brushing your teeth, like not too harsh, just get like all the gunk out of it because you don't want to whiten with stuff all over your teeth. So just first brush your teeth. In the box, it comes like this. You're going to have your little trays of the whitening gel. I'm just going to take one of the whitening gels and you just place it on the top like of the tray. Okay, so you just place the gel on the top of the tray, and like if you do too much, you can just use it for the bottom. But you put it on the top and then the bottom. And you can put this gel on your teeth, but like it's easier if you just put it on the tray. Okay, so once you put the gel on the top and then the bottom, then you're pretty much ready to go. You just plug in the little adapter to the end. And so once you have your adapter in, you can just use whatever you need to use. So you're just gonna plug it into your phone. Now that you have it plugged in, you just put it in your mouth. Then you just leave this in your mouth for usually like 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to do it longer, you can. You'll just see more results. Whenever you're done using it, you just unplug it, clean this out, and then brush your teeth and get all the gel off, and then you're good. The thing that I love about Nova Shine is that you can use it for however long or however short you want to. You don't have to sit down for like a straight hour to get a result. You can have results within 20 minutes or however long. And you can just do this once a week or once a month, and you'll see results.
Alright guys, so again, this video, not 100% one of my favorites, but what it does is it really highlights the product. So it's almost like an influencer tutorial, and you guys will be like very surprised at how much customers really like this, especially customers who really follow this particular influencer, if you were to like take this video, post it on like an IGTV of a influencer who's like in your niche, she's like a health and beauty influencer. So if you're running like an outdoors product and you find somebody who's an influencer who's like really, really big into like the hiking thing, and you have whatever product, you have them do like a real tutorial of your product, you guys will be amazed at how much that actually converts and how much people will really, really want to buy your product off just like watching their favorite influencer use your product, describe it, and then instead of them asking you questions like, okay, how does this work? What are shipping costs free? They feel like the influencer is actually a part of the brand. So then it goes and they actually start asking the influencer like, hey, is shipping free? Do you have a discount code? Like, how does the product work whenever I don't brush my teeth? Like anything about it, the people will further associate your brand with this influencer instead of it just being like some random product. So here is the last one, and the last one is probably the most easily replicatable. I kind of did them in a sort of like the hardest to do, the like middle, and then like the easiest to do. So this one right here, guys, this person, it honestly doesn't even look like ad, but that's kind of the whole point of making drop shipping ads. At least now, you don't want them to actually look like ads. So like this right here, it's like somebody responding to somebody else's tweet. I want it. I would be very surprised if somebody didn't find this product from AliExpress, post it on Twitter, make 2 fake accounts, and then somebody respond using a joke. Like, you know you're getting old when things like this excite you. Literally just a joke got almost 100,000 likes in just a few days. That is exactly how you want to structure your ads. And the biggest thing about this is that I don't even think this post was an actual promotion. I think somebody made this and then somebody like on the memes page found it funny and then they posted it. But this particular format of like finding a product, making it look like people are talking about it through Twitter is super, super impactful whenever you're selling like very low ticket products, whenever you're selling things like, let's say the Love teddy bear. I don't know if you guys remember that one, or like the ring where like you put a magnifying glasses and it said I love you in like 100 different languages. All of that good stuff, using sort of like impulsive things like this whenever you're trying to target young people is absolutely some of the best ways to target and make an ad, just because it feels very native. Like it feels like I'm looking at a meme. It doesn't feel like I'm being sold to. And then when I read it, I say, oh, I am kind of excited by this. Man, where the hell can I get this product? And then let's say if you were running an ad, you would say like, this store right here is selling this product, and then you click the link in the bio or whatever, and then you just got a conversion off of that. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Again, this is kind of like a blueprint, or at least a soft blueprint of ads that you can structure for your brand or for your dropshipping store that can really, really help you increase your conversions. If you found any value from this video, feel free to drop a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys really feel free to do. If you want to have like any other questions for me, either drop a comment down below or just shoot me a message on Instagram. I pretty much respond to everybody. So again, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel up to this point.